When you're doing your projects and you're selecting your energizer, make sure that you look and pay attention to the acreage, but also pay attention to your wire type. All different wires have different ohms resistance per mile. So if you're gonna build some fencing, you need to make sure that you have, if you think about it with water, a big pump, and you have to have the adequate pipe. You wouldn't put a big pump and a 1/2-inch line. You wouldn't put a small pump and a huge line. So you wanna make sure that those two match up, let alone match up with your animals and your acreage. So all of those things come into consideration when we're designing a fence system, and any one of your employees at North 40 can help you figure out which energizer's right for your application.